Welcome to my channel. If you've ever wanted to control your computer using your phone, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use the Remote Mouse app to turn your smartphone into a wireless mouse. It's quick, easy, and works on both Windows and Mac. Let's get started. First, go to the official Remote Mouse website, remotemouse.net. Click Get Now. Then select your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Once downloaded, install and run the Remote Mouse desktop application. Now, on your phone, open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for Remote Mouse, then click on Install the app by Remote Mouse. Next, open the Remote Mouse app on your phone. Then open it on your computer. Now make sure your phone and your computer are connected by Bluetooth. Once your phone is connected to the computer, now click on Desktop Bluetooth. The app will guide you with simple, on-screen instructions. The interface looks like a touchpad, and you can start using your phone as a wireless mouse right away. And that's it, your phone is now a wireless mouse. This is perfect for presentations, watching movies, or controlling your PC from a distance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.